y'all, it's your good Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So y'all, if you was watching my last couple of videos, this thing with this tripod business, like it's a mess. Now this tripod is too thick to stay on the dashboard, so it's not sturdy. So like if I'm turning, it's gonna fall. So I don't know, I gotta get another little tripod. I just want to find the right tripod. So I did my hair or whatever. This is a U-part wig, and I wish like this part would just stay, but my hair is brown and the hair is black. I should have bought a 4. I got a 2. But nonetheless, it is what it is. But it's cute, but it just doesn't blend in all the way. But that's fine. But I use that Erica J 7B conditioner, and honey, it brought this ball back to life. Cause honey, it was dry as hell, and it was so frizzy, like it wasn't giving at all. So it's Super Bowl Sunday today, and you know the game come on. So I'm on my way to my dad's house, and I just finished cooking. I had made just wings and Texas fries, which I didn't record because I was rushing, but it like it's about to rain real bad. So I'm trying to hurry up and get there before it rains, because I don't want to get caught in the rain, and we still getting over a cold. I'm hungry and I want a drink, so I hope he got all that, because I need a drink. Okay, this is kind of like, let me see, this is maybe my 3rd or 4th time going to my dad's house, because we're not the closest, but because he wasn't shit growing up. But you know, I just learned to forgive my dad and just move on with life, because that hatred in my heart, what's it gonna do for me? It ain't gonna do nothing, like, you know. So I just learned to forgive him, and you know, he is who he is, and you know, even though he would never say like, oh, he owned up to his truth or what he did, blah blah blah, whatever, I just learned to forgive him for myself. So and then now he see, you know, I have a daughter or whatever, so he's trying to like make sure she comes and she know who he is. But you know, we don't go all over that often or whatever, but you know, it's just something to just do, I guess, like, you know, because he is my dad at the end of the day. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So how are your relationship with your dad? Like, do you get along with your dad? Did your dad raise you? Were you in separate households? Like, comment down below, how is it with your relationship with your dad? Because y'all know, for majority of the times, the daddies ain't shit, and they don't be doing nothing, you know. And the moms, in reality, moms are the ones who really pull all the weight. Like, majority of times, like, I'm not saying like dads don't at all, but majority of the time, if the dad fuck up, like if the dad mess up, like it's the mom that's picking up the slack, you know. And it's so easy for dads, to me, in my opinion, even being a mom too, it's so easy for dads to not care, or they could just still get up and go. They could choose to do whatever they want. But when it comes to us as mom, we plan around our child and just everything in that aspect. But y'all could probably relate to that as well. But yeah, I mean, motherhood, it definitely is a real big eye-opener. And I think too, like, because I'm a mom now, like, I felt like, well, like, F it, I'ma just forgive him, because it's like, why have that hatred in me? Like, you know, and it's a word in the Bible that I'm looking for, but I can't remember that word. I cannot remember that word, but they talk about it like having that, is it inequity? I think it's inequity. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's inequity. Like, having that inequity feeling is not good. Like, just learn to let go, and even though somebody has done something to you, still forgive them, you know. So, because that hatred in you is not gonna go. Oh, I need to go to the bank too. I need to go to the bank real quick. Yeah, while it's daytime, because honey, I ain't trying to get robbed, God forbid. But yeah, I'm about to go to the ATM, go to my dad's house. If I film there, I will try to, because I'm a little shy when it comes to recording around people. So I'm gonna try to get some footage. And yeah, y'all, I know y'all ready. Are y'all ready to see Usher on concert on Super Bowl? But yeah, let me stop chatting with y'all and I will see you guys later. And this tripod is falling. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.
Why they set up?
So we at McDonald's. Trying to get this girl to eat something. Yes, hi, I have a mobile order. EX33. Thank you. And one thing about it, honey, I'm always use a McDonald's app because the discounts on there, honey, can't beat it, and I'm collecting points. But y'all, I'm leaving. Obviously, I left my dad's house, but it was fun. I didn't get to record. Out just on my phone and stuff, and just planning for Atlanta. I can't wait. 2 more days. I cannot wait, y'all. And then little mama is going back to school. I got her doctor's note, so she will be going. I'm holding up the line. So I'm about to drop her off to her dad in a little bit after I get this McDonald's, and she is going back to school in the morning. Yeah, why they holding up the line for? But yeah, she's going back to school in the morning. She only got like a minor cough or whatever, so she can go back to school because she won't be considered contagious. Thank you. And yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, okay? Because I ain't got much to chat about. So yeah. Hey y'all, it is the next day and back to regular mommy program scheduling. So she didn't go to school, so kind of semi-regular mommy programming scheduling or whatever. But she is going to therapy because she missed 2 weeks of therapy. Just need to get the tripod business situated. Like I might go to Five Below after we leave therapy. And then I need to pack for Atlanta. So I'm gonna try to record me packing. And then I probably should just end this vlog and then just start getting ready for Atlanta. Or should I just keep recording and then I'm gonna start a new vlog once we get to Atlanta? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna still record on this vlog and then make Atlanta a separate vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, on the way to therapy, which I said a million times, and y'all might notice in my videos that the videos are chopped up because I repeat myself a lot, and it's like, why do I have to say the same thing 3 and 4 times? Like, they heard me, like, you know? So y'all might notice that, and I say a lot, and I've been cutting that out too. But yeah, y'all, you see, I just said Oh, I'm gonna try to, oh my God, they got free Dunkin' today. We're gonna probably go hit up Dunkin' too. Oh, okay, perfect. There's a place in the same plaza that got Dunkin' and they got Five Below in the same plaza. I think that's what we're gonna do. So it's free coffee today on the Dunkin's app. So I will be doing that because I saw it on the Coupon Mom page. And I will see y'all then. And then while she's in therapy, I'm just gonna study because I have not studied in a couple of days and I need to get to it. Like, I need to stop slacking. If this is the expressway, why y'all not expressing the drive? You know, not super fast, but like y'all driving super slow. But anyways, y'all, I will see y'all later. I need to fix this wig, honey, to put it like right here. But anyways, y'all, child, kids don't care how much money you got. When they want something, they want it. Malia was crying for this. I ended up coming to Joann's because I knew they had the little attachment. So I'm back in the game with the tripod business. And then I just got the same candy I got last time. I usually don't like dark chocolate, but it tastes pretty good with the peppermint. And they still got it 60% off. So this candy was supposed to be $11. I got it for $6. So,
oh, my pretty girl.
Okay, pretty girl.
Oh, pretty girl.
Hey, pretty girl. So, I'm actually about to call my cousin to see if she need help with anything because we leave tomorrow and she forgot to order some stuff, but we are gonna be going to Dunkin' still. I'm not going to Five Below no more. And you want chocolate? I don't have cookies. I have chocolate. You want more chocolate? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna call my cousin and see what she needs help with, and then I'm gonna go home. Here, Malia. What do you say? Thank you. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to drive to. You're welcome, baby. About to go to Dunkin' real quick. But now I don't know which location should I go to because of traffic. But I'll figure it out. I need a drive-through though, one, because some of these over here don't have drive-through. I need drive-through because I'm not getting back out with a toddler. So yeah, let me figure out what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I just feel like I want to like change my content up, but I feel like I'm mostly always on the go. Like when I'm home, I'm working, and then I don't be doing nothing else. I feel like most of my vlogs are always gonna be in the car for now. But I'm gonna try to change it up a little bit. But I actually need to edit a vlog. Like I'm trying to at least upload every 3 to 4 days to get that momentum going. I just gotta find balance, and I need to stop scrolling all day on social media because I could be doing my own stuff. So, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna call my cousin now, and yeah, see you later, y'all. Bye.
But if I need to, I have her number.
Okay, that's good. I'm happy for you. You standing on business with the therapist. All right, y'all. The coffee was good. I actually had to stir it. They ain't stir it, but it's good over there. But it's a Dunkin's coffee. I don't even know what it is, but it's good. I don't even know what's in it. Let me see. Oh, so it's and they ain't give me no sweet cold foam. This is why I should have checked what actually it is. I just saw free and just added it to the cart. So it's supposed to be original blend, and then sweet cold foam, and then the French vanilla and cinnamon sugar. But it's good though. But now I'm about to go inside Walmart. Malia fell asleep, so I'm gonna have to get a stroller, which will be perfect because now I ain't gotta worry about nobody running around, not wanting to walk, and sometimes she don't like being in a buggy no more. So yeah, let's go inside Wally World. Hey y'all, so made it back home. Gonna start packing. I actually supposed to have an Amazon package coming to go with this. Let me check on it. I mean today by 9. Okay, I hope it come. And I just realized I didn't do my nails yet. I gotta do that. So I'm wearing the Target set on the plane. Got some, wear my Uggs. It's supposed to be real cold in Atlanta. This is what I'm wearing to the concert. It's supposed to be a black top to go with it. And then this is my outfit coming back. I'm probably gonna pack one extra outfit just to be on the safe side. But I think I'm just gonna pack I don't know, probably another sweatsuit as a backup. So yeah. Oh, I have an Amazon package I gotta open. Let me open this because it's supposed to be a charger. I don't even remember what else I ordered today. What did I order, y'all? Oh, I ordered some lashes, a portable charger. What is this? I don't even know what I ordered. Oh, I ordered some headphones, and I ordered the eyelash helper, I guess you could say, because I don't know how to put on lashes, and I feel like I need someone to help me. But I seen these lashes on TikTok. They're supposed to be like real fluffy or whatever. So let me see if I could show y'all. Okay, they look real fluffy, y'all. Let me see in this focus. They look real fluffy. I'm excited. So tonight when I get off, I am going to do my lashes and do my nails. And it's already tacky too. So my eyes so big, y'all. Let me see if I could try to do it right now. Yes. She just be saying my name just to say it. How you supposed to? How does it work? You go like this? I honestly don't even know. I guess you put it right here. My eyes are so big, y'all. Like, I feel like even with this, I'm still not gonna put it on right. Because my eyes are so damn big. But they look really cute. But I'm gonna play with that later when I get off tonight. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. And then I got my press-on nails. Yeah, I got these press-on nails right here. Let's focus. I got these press-on nails. I'm gonna do that. Let me make sure this charger works. I need to get my pajamas, hygiene stuff, and then I'm gonna come right back when I got that. Okay, portable charger works. Check. Headphones. Let me check if they work too. Cause once something don't work at Amazon, I do a return real quick. This is weird. It's plug-in, but it's also Bluetooth. I don't get it, but it is what it is. Let me see how loud. Okay, we in there. For $10, I can't. You hear it? Yeah, look at this big old pimple. All right, I got contacts, Clorox wipes, Pum Pum wash, body wash, soap, hand soap, deodorant, Lysol. She went outside. Lotion, Vaseline, toothpaste, toothbrush, and I think that's it. So I got this from Temu, but the soap wasted on it. Okay,